alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq. Read in the name of your Rabb who has created. Again, one of the questions is, how do we rewire when we are consumed in this materialistic society where we are under attack and pressure from all angles? And I can understand it is difficult, but this is the world that we are living in, and we have to try and do as much as we can. Ideally, if we can make hijrah, and inshallah ta'ala we will be focusing on that at some stage in the future, so stay tuned. But obviously the internal hijrah is first and foremost important. But the rewiring has to connect with the Qur'an Al Taqwini, the revelation, the revealed Qur'an, and it has to connect with the Qur'an Al Taqwini, the book of nature. So the two books, the two revelations have to come together in order for us to rewire. And we have to connect to both every single day. Please take note. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.